We are going to be taking us through the basic requirements that you need to install in order to deploy your contracts on Starknet. So yeah, this is our first session in the series, and hopefully you enjoy it. So we are going to be having a guide, which is the Starknet book. I think it has a very good uh, showcase. So you need to have Starkly, Scab, and Katana. And I'm going to put this in the description. So when you go to book.starknet.io, yeah, on basic installation, so they will show you how you can install Starkly. So is install Starkly by this command, and then you can see the version. So Scab is a uh, is like a manager for Cairo, and then Katana is the local node. Yes, so you get the description how to install them from here. Then secondly, you need to have a wallet, so a wallet that can run on Starknet. So for this, I have Bravos. You can either use Bravos or Argent X. And to download Bravos, you need to just come and search for Bravos wallet. So maybe extension or just wallet. So you can come here. So if you're on Google, maybe you can straight up go to the Google extension. But if you are on any other browser or Google itself, you can come here, and then down here there is a Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge. So whatever search engine you're using, then you download and yes, and start using that contract. So that your wallet. So for this, I have Bravos. So you need to make sure that you do some transactions. You make sure that your Bravos wallet is working. So how are we going to get test tokens? So when you download your wallet, this is a mainnet. So when you download your wallet, you get it, and then you have to store your seed phrase. You go through the installation. Everything is as will be directed from where you download it. So after you have downloaded it and you have finished storing your seed phrase, well, then you are going to come here and then go to Starknet Goeli. So this Starknet Goeli is where we test our smart contracts. We shall be deploying them, of course, to the testnet. So yes, okay. What I can do to get test tokens, you go to this URL. I think it is .goeli. So Starknet Goeli faucet. Yes, you look for Starknet Goeli faucet. So it's faucet.goeli.starknet.io. I also put the link in the description. So you just click on connect wallet, and to ask if you have downloaded Agent X. Then if you have Bravos, click on Bravos, and then approve. So when you approve, here I would like to receive ETH. So STR key option has also come, but I think we shall always go with ETH. When you approve, your wallet is copied here. If in any case it is not there, then you can copy it from here, and then yes, paste it there. So if after pasting, I'm not a robot, then send request. So when you send request, wait for confirmation to get our test tokens. As we are getting our test tokens, you need to know about Stark technology, so how a Stark works. If you're interested, you can look up most of their work on Starkware, YouTube channel, and yeah, many other sources. So Let me close. Now I need to go and see. So I've gotten more test tokens. So now I can deploy my smart contracts and everything that I need. So yes, we have looked at, I think, the main installations that we need.